Sunday plans. Will you be lazy? Will you be chilling? Will you be relaxing? Or some of the pending tasks to complete?
Sunday plans. It's freezing cold today, so cannot plan anything. At least
Okay.
I think today is chilling and relaxing only.
Any situation which tested your patience, tested your tolerance, tested your endurance, and you were like, I am done. I can't take this anymore. I can't do this anymore. Any situation really reached the limit, reached the threshold point, the breaking point.
I don't remember anything where I was like I am done because I used to be like that, but within few years, maybe it took me few years to like reach to this point where I don't say usually that it's too much or I'm done, I'm going to give up, things like that. I keep pushing myself that no, you should not give up, or you should not say that I'm done, or why is it happening with me only? So, no, even though past 2 to 3 months were not good for me, like due to my professional journey and so many things, but still I was hoping for good and I was trying and trying. So yeah, it took me a long time to be here or to reach to this point where I don't say that I don't actually give up, or I don't actually say that I'm done. So no, not actually, not really.
Are you a giver? You love to give time, money, attention, help. Are you a taker? What is my profit? What is my reward? What do I get? Are you a person who believes in same, equal, matching effort, nothing extra, nothing less? Or it depends people, nature, motive, intentions.
Okay, so giver somewhere, yes, it is like I am both giver and taker both. I like to give like my time and my love, my care to people who actually means to me. At the same time, I am taker. I like to, maybe I can say I'm attention seeker. I like when people give me attention sometimes, and I expect this from my people only, not from everybody. So it's completely fine. I think you need to be both. You need to be both. You should be both, like giver or taker. Then only it will be balance. It should not be like you're giving, and if you're not receiving anything from other person, which means that you're fooling around. There is no sense. Maybe you're wasting your time and your energy to the wrong people. So best combination is you should be a giver and taker both. Yeah.
Are you a free Are you a free, happy heart person or you're a rules loving brain person? Brain says count the calories of the food that you're eating. Heart says eat whatever makes you happy. Eat your favorite sweet dish. Brain says complete all your tasks. Heart says let's take a nap, let's watch a movie, let's just chill, relax. So which one are you mostly? Free, happy heart person or rules loving brain person?
Mostly I am free happy heart person. Free happy heart person, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Mostly I am free happy heart person and not someone who will listen to the brain most of the times. But yes, sometimes you have to listen to your brain. You cannot just go with your heart because that can backfire you. You cannot just when if your heart is saying that relax, come on, chill, watch a movie and spend your time like that. But you cannot keep doing that for the whole day. You need to sometimes use your brain and do your pending tasks or whatever is required for that moment. So yeah, mostly I am free happy heart person, but I immediately like mm,
Mm-hmm.
alert myself that okay, now you need to do the things, you need to listen to your brain now. So kind of that, I can say, yeah. But not in but not for food and all these things. For food, by God's grace, I'm already skinny, so I can eat whatever I want, and uh, wo- like there is no restriction for me that you should eat this portion only and not that and this. So for food, it's completely like what I want to eat and whatever it is. But for few things, like when it comes to spending time, I sometimes listen to my brain also.
Any one healthy habit that you would want to imbibe in yourself? Any one spiritual habit that you would want to imbibe in yourself?
I really wanted to start meditation. I mean, I really want to start now also, but then this is something I am like not able to do, or even if I start, I do it for like 1 or 2 days and then I skip it. So I feel it's really very difficult for me. I am not able to like start this habit or inculcate this habit, but I'm really looking forward to it. At least in this new year, I'm going to start something like that. It's been a long time. I'm trying to, uh, yeah, start meditating, but I don't know. Maybe I think I don't have a lot of knowledge about meditation, or maybe I'm not using the right path. That's why I'm not able to continue that one. But yeah, this is the one thing I am really finding difficult to start.
Any one thing that you are grateful for and any one thing that you regret in your life?
There's nothing like regret, because regretting means you will just keep thinking about the things you are not able to uh, do. But if instead of regretting, if you find a way where you can think that it's fine if I haven't done that, it gave me a different purposes or different ways to go ahead. So regret, no, as such there is no regret, but grateful, yeah, there are so many things I'm grateful for. Even like every day I am grateful that I'm living this life. So because I have seen, maybe before 2 years I was not grateful for this life, but after COVID and all, yes, every day I'm so much grateful about this, because I have seen a lot of people fighting, and it was a very bad situation I have seen closely. So that's why I'm grateful for everything what I have right now. Yeah.
Tell me something about your friends. Any friend who's a drama queen, gossip queen, um, any friend who has this streak to be independent. I'll earn my own money, I'll do my own things, and I'll I'll work for myself and do everything on my own. Any friend who is wise, mature, any friend who is a fashionista, loves to get her picture clicked, different clothes, different styles, and then go ahead and decorate her Instagram. Tell me something about the different friends you have.
Yes, I think I was getting names in my head when you were explaining the types. So first of all, I'm going to talk about this fashion Insta. Yes, I have one friend who is completely a fashion Insta. She will every day order something, she'll receive something, and she's just so much excited. I think she wakes up with the thought that okay, I'm going to receive a parcel today, and I'm going to try this on, and I'll keep pictures and I'll post it on Instagram. So that's how her life is. And I we like we used to think that how you're going to lead your life once you get married or something like that, because after marriage things get changed, so you will not be able to like keep ordering your clothes and like try the same things you're doing right now. So she was like, no, I'm gonna do that. And after, like, she's married now and she's still the same. So I feel like if you're crazy about something, uh and if you're passionate about something, so you will definitely gonna continue with that thing no matter whether you're married or whether you're single, wherever you're living. Even she is now, I think, living in a small town, not in a big city. Still, she's the same. So, yeah, that's the best thing. And she's actually very beautiful. She carries every outfit very well. She's Yeah, she's the best for that particular type, that fashionista. Yes, she is. And second thing, independent one who is like, I am gonna earn my own money. Yeah, I have that friend also. She's very close to me, and I think I have learned a lot of things from her. I was also the same, like I am independent and all that, but she has actually worked on that, and she has achieved so many things in her life. Like she took a break for some time from her professional career. She pursued for some courses, like software testing and all, and then she prepared for the interviews for a whole 1 year. She was sitting at home. She was patient. We all were working, but she was the only one who was preparing for her future goals. So she did that, and now she's on a very good position in a very good company. So I think I have learned a lot of things from her, like patience. If you really want to do something, you can do it. Like if she could have compared herself with us, then she would have not able to done whatever she has done. So yes, that's how she is. And anyway, she's very bold with the nature, and she is. Yeah, she's not someone who is like, I want to get married, or she's actually very uh, self-centered. She's earning money, she's going very good in life. So yeah, I think that's it.
And any teacher you remember from your school, from your college, and why do you remember that teacher? Any teacher for any reason? For great subject knowledge, for old age, traditional wisdom. Any teacher who discouraged you, demotivated you, yet, you fought back. Any teacher who was weird, different, yet amazing in her or his own way. So, any teacher you remember and why?
I think every teacher is amazing in their own way and in their own subject. So no doubt in that. But in school time, yes, I was very shy, and like I was not able to express whatever I want to say, or I was not able to have a conversation with teachers, or even with friends, because I was from that background where we were like, you need to be quiet in front of teachers. Now it's completely different. Now it's like you need to speak up whatever you have in your mind. So that time there was a teacher who was our maths teacher. Yeah, she she was, what I feel right now is she was little biased with the students. She used to concentrate more on the students who were smart or who were good in that particular subject. So I can't say that I was not good enough in maths. Actually, I was good. I used to like maths in schools, but she was like, no, you're not good enough. So she was not giving me that much attention. And if you don't get attention being a child, I think you don't feel good. So that was the thing. But in my 10th board, I scored very good marks in maths, and I think then she must have realized that she was good in, because she used to consider me with the students who were not good in maths, like who were average or like below average. But I thought I am good enough. So after my 10th examinations, or after results has been declared, results has declared, she realized that, oh, you were like, how did you, no, she just asked me, how did you score this much? Because she considered me. So I think being a teacher, you should equal to every student. That's what I learned from that particular thing. And that's it. Yeah. So I remember that teacher very well.
I am opposite. I don't
Hmm.
like attention. And also,
Okay.
results were declared.
Results. Oh yeah,
Yes.
results were declared. It was past tense.
Um,
Yeah.
so, any place nearby your house which is your favorite place? You love to visit that place. You have fun, you chill, you relax, you sit alone, reflect, or you go with your family and you eat street food and click pictures. Any place to hang out with friends, with family, or alone that's near your house.
Okay. So near my house there is nothing, and like in my family we are not actually allow, and we don't like my family don't entertain us if we go out normally a lot of time. Like we don't go out very often. So that's how it is.